That is the golden scepter of the pharaoh, amongst the most precious and important treasure of the entire exhibition.
Is it real? Is it actually real?
Absolutely real, and it has existed for thousands of years. It's a true masterpiece.
Look closely at the top. It's a golden cobra raising its head. Look carefully. I might ask you about it later.
A golden cobra.
I will remember it forever.
It is absolutely magnificent and beautiful.
You seem very interested in history.
Yeah.
Dad, look! Ancient 3D animals. A giant woolly mammoth and a fierce saber-toothed tiger. I want to see them now!
All right, but stay with us first. The museum is closing very soon, and we must stick together.
Louis, why are you still hanging around here? Go back to work and check the West Wing again.
I already checked it, sir.
Then check it again. Immediately. Stop wasting time and go now.
The director, he looks terribly angry. He's been so irritable lately.
Mom, can Peter and I go to the restroom? We will be very quick, I promise.
Okay, but hurry up.
We will be back in a flash.
We will wait right here, next to the Pharaoh's golden scepter. Don't wander off.
Done. Can we see the 3D animals now? Just for a second.
No, we have to go back to Mom and Dad first. Don't be stubborn.
Attention. Everyone leave the building immediately. This is an emergency evacuation.
What? Is there a fire? What is happening? Run! Move to the nearest exit. Hurry!
It's stuck. The door won't open. We can't get through this way.
We must find another way, fast! Olivia! Peter! The kids went to the restroom. They are still inside. We have to go back for them.
Please exit now. We will check the restrooms. You must leave for your safety.
Oh, my children are in there. Please, save my children. Olivia, Peter. Oh my God, help them.
Mom and Dad must be outside. We just need to find a staff member to help us.
Look! Someone is over there.
The alarm worked perfectly. We only have a few minutes. Shut up and do it quickly.
Take the box. Run to the back door now. We don't have much time.
That is Director Cole. And Louis will be the one to blame. He knows every corner, he has the keys. They will believe it was him.
They are stealing the scepter and framing Mr. Lewis for the crime. We have to stop them.
After tonight, I will be free and rich. We must find Mr. Lewis now. Hurry!
Who's there? I heard a noise. Someone is here.
Run! Run fast, Peter!
Find them. Get the scepter back. Don't let them escape or we are finished.
Olivia! What was that? They are coming for us.
I'm so scared. I'm really scared. I'm scared too. But we can't stop. We have to be brave.
Olivia, Peter,
What are you doing here? Why aren't you outside?
Director Cole is chasing us. He's stealing the scepter. He triggered the alarm to frame you.
We heard everything.
Frame me? He would dare do that? Follow me, fast. Tell me exactly everything you heard them say.
They said the alarm was working well and you would be the perfect scapegoat.
I suspected him. He kept asking about cameras.
The box. They have it. They are running toward the back door.
If they reach that door, the scepter is gone forever. It's not too late. We can stop them. Oh,
We have to call Mom and Dad now.
call your dad. Tell him the situation immediately.
Dad. Peter and I are safe. Mr. Lewis is with us. Director Cole stole the scepter. Call the police to the back door.
Good job, honey. Hide well and don't let them see you.
The police are on their way.
We need to slow them down. I'll use the 3D animals to trap them.
We just need to hold them.
There are two ways to the back door, the short hallway and the 3D hall. We must lure them to the 3D hall.
I'll turn off the lights in one hall and activate the 3D system in the other. We'll trick them.
Giant woolly mammoths. Fierce saber-toothed tigers. Let's scare them!
Olivia, watch the screen. Peter, trigger the sound when she signals. Stay here and do not leave this room.
We promise. We won't leave.
We're ready, Mr. Lewis.
This path, it feels wrong. Something is not right.
Keep going. Don't stop now.
It's just a projection. Don't panic. The roar. Oh, it sounds too real. Is it real?
It's just speakers. Calm down. Don't be a coward.
No! 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 Help me! It's gonna crush us!
Drop the box now. Director Cole, it is over.
Stay out of this. This isn't your business anymore.
It is my business because you tried to frame me for your greed.
The police are already outside. There is no escape for you. I don't believe you!
Wait, they are still running.
Let's go!
It's okay. Next time we definitely do that. We just need a little more time.
Run away! Freeze!
Put the box down and put your hands up.
It's over. We caught them.
Dad! Mom!
Your children are safe. They were in the control room helping me.
Thank God. Finally, it's over. I was so worried.
Olivia? Peter?
I was worried sick. Are you two okay?
I was really scared, Mom. I was truly scared.
I know. But you both were so brave and so smart today.
The scepter is intact. The golden cobra is still there. You both thought clearly and were exceptionally brave tonight.
I almost pressed the wrong button, but Olivia stopped me just in time.
Thank you for saving me. I owe you both a lot.
More importantly, you saved the entire museum's history.
Bravery isn't about never being afraid. It's about doing the right thing, even when you're terrified.
I was scared.
I was scared.
I was very scared too.
That's okay. What matters is what you chose to do next.
Next time, we will never go anywhere alone again.
We will always stay with you and Mom.
Good. That is the smartest and right thing to do.
I still thought that dinosaur was real for a second.
moment, I almost believed it too.
Goodbye. Stay safe.
Now, let's go back to the question from the beginning.
What is on top of the Pharaoh's golden scepter? Just 2 words.
If you remember, comment your answer immediately below.
Guys, we want to know who was paying the most attention. They really are heroes today. Look how peacefully they are sleeping.
They learned a big lesson today. One they will never forget.
The museum's secrets are safe with us for another generation.
Golden. Cobra. Gotcha.